guys! Join me in stretching our synovial joints from head to toe. Ano? Tara? First, head circumduction. Ikot nyo lang yung ulo nyo. Tapos, para hindi kayo mahilo, ibalik nyo lang. Second, head rotation. First, tingin kayo sa kanan, tapos ibalik nyo. Tapos sunod, tingin kayo sa kaliwa, tapos ibalik nyo ulit. Next, protraction and retraction of shoulders. Kuba? Huwag maging kuba. Kuba? Huwag maging kuba. Next, elevation and depression of shoulders. Taas, baba. Taas, baba. Taas, baba. Flexion, extension, hyperextension of shoulders. First, flexion, bulge, right, right. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the battery. Abduction and adduction of arms. Imagine isa kang ibon na lumilipad tapos pinapagkaspas mo lang yung wings mo. Next, circumduction of arms. Ikot ka lang yung arms mo. Rotational movement of elbows. Medial sa loob, lateral sa labas, pasok, labas, pasok, labas. Pronation and supination of forearms. Taob, nakaharap. Taob, nakaharap. Gliding of carpal bones. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Parang wiper sa sasakyan. Apposition and reposition. Yung kamay nyo, may pera, walang pera. Tapos para ka magbibilang. May pera, walang pera. Lateral flexion of weight. So, stretch mo yung sides niya. Wow, sarap. At wala naman. Let's go. Nice. Abduction and adduction of legs. Parang close, open. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Circumduction of legs. Ayan, di ba? Dumadami nanonood sa akin. Naikot lang talaga ako ng paa dyan. Parang amaze na amaze sila na ngayon na sila nakakita ng umiikot ng paa. Gliding of tarsal bones. Ano ka ba ito explain? So, parang nag-wave lang din. Pero yung paa mo yung gamit. Left and right lang. Diba? Dorsiflexion and plantar flexion of limb. Parang ano, nagpe-preno. Tapos parang tatanggalin mo yung pagkaka-preno ng paa mo. Diba? Last movement, inversion and eversion of feet. Inversion, naka-tilt ka paloob. And then, eversion, naka-tilt ka palabas. And that's a wrap. Natapos na yung kanta natin. And hindi pa ako tapos. Pero last na movement na yan. So, on to the next one. Alright. Nakapag-stretching na ba ang lahat? Kaya naman, para lalo nating maintindihan ang ginawa natin kanina, join me as I discuss the types of movements at synovial joints. So, there are 4 types. And to memorize it easily, let's remember the acronym GARS. In short, gliding movement, angular movement, rotational movement, and special movements. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay natin? Ano, tara? So, first type of movement is gliding. Gliding is yung pag-slide ng buto sa isa't isa na walang ikot-ikot at malaking bend. Left and right lang siya. Parang ito, nagwe-wave lang. second type of movement is angular movement. It refers to the rotation of an object or body segment around a fixed axis kung saan yung body natin nagmo-move along a curved path. So this is flexion, extension, hyperextension. Flexion is bend, extension is straight, and hyperextension is nasobrahan. Abduction and adduction. Abduction means moving away from the midline. Adduction is moving towards the midline. So, para kang ibon na nagpa-fluff ng wings. Circumduction. Ito naman yung movement ng body region in a circular manner in which one end of the body region being moved stays relatively stationary, while yung other end naman is gumagawa ng circle. Third, rotational movement. It is defined as the motion of a bony segment as it spins about its longitudinal axis. So, sa head, left and right lang. So, it can be categorized into two, medial and lateral. Medial is internal or paloob, and lateral is external or palabas. Pronation and supination. So, pronate is to rotate in or down, and supination is to rotate out or up. So, parang pronate is papaluin ka, and then supination is mapahingi pera. Fourth, special movements. So, this is called eversion and inversion. So, inversion is tilting the sole of your foot to face inwards medially, and eversion is tilting the sole of your foot to face outwards laterally. Next is dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. So, dorsiflexion is the top of the foot moving towards your shin. So, nakapataas siya, and plantar flexion is the top of your foot moves away from your shin and nakapoint siya pa-floor. Apposition and reposition. Apposition is yung movement ng thumb towards the other fingers, which enables us to grasp and hold objects. And reposition naman is yung movement kung saan nagre-return na yung thumb and fingers from opposition. Protraction and retraction. So, protraction is moving forward and out, and retraction is moving backwards or in. Elevation and depression. Elevation is lifting or moving upwards, and depression is dropping or moving downwards. Lateral flexion, it occurs when your vertebral column bends to the side. And that concludes my presentation. I am Karen J. Camacho from DXC1, and I hope may natutunan kayo at nag-enjoy kayo. Goodbye!